Gather your supplies. Here is a list of what you will need: plastic bottle with a cap, craft knife, hammer and nail, coffee filter, large cup or mug, either one works, activated charcoal, sand, gravel, container to catch the water like jar, cup, mug, craft knife to cut the bottom inch, 2.54 centimeters or so off of the plastic bottle. Use a hammer and nail to punch a hole in the cap. Put the coffee filter over the mouth of the bottle and tighten the cap over it. Put the bottle cap side down into a mug or cup. Fill the bottom third of the bottle with activated charcoal. Fill the middle of bottle with sand. Fill the rest of the bottle with the gravel. Choose a jar to catch the filtered water. Hold the filter over the container. Pour water into the filter. Wait for the water to flow into the jar. Pour the water back through the filter if it is not clear. Boil the water for at least 1 minute to make it safe to drink. Let the water cool before storing it in a clean, airtight container.